Hi there, I'm Rolf. You're watching Getting It Hot with Rolf. On today's menu, we have surf and turf. For the turf, we've got pork layered with bread stuffing, mozzarella cheese, Swiss cheese, and pan sausage, and that's all wrapped in bacon. And we're doing crawfish. We're going to smoke these in a butter garlic sauce. Well, let's get to the smoker. And the crawfish should take about an hour. Cowboy griller, I really don't know. Hour and a half, maybe more. Hopefully not too much more. Alright, we'll see you later. Just a quick look. I'm going to stir up them crawfish. We'll be back. Now these are good eating. Original Cajun spices. Burns your mouth good. And the griller is ready. You get that pulled off and let it rest for a few minutes. Start cutting it up. Alright, let's see if we can cut this with one hand. Oh, about there.
Ralph, can you go a little higher above 160?
Here. Well, you film
it's
how
going.
cut.
It's going.
Is it going?
Sure it is. It's nice and juicy, that's for sure.
Boy, I guess.
See if we can open her up a little bit. Get that side view going.
Oh, that's nice.
That's looking good. Hey, thanks for watching. Grab another bite, man.
Boy, I'll tell
Wolf
you.
it down.
Yeah, this stuff is awesome.
Here's your
If I
knife.
can. That just, you know, the old. There we go. Bell's Meat Market. They hit something there.
There you go. We're out.